good day, YouTubers and RC enthusiasts out there. I'm the RC Whisperer. If you do like my channel and my videos, please go ahead and subscribe. And I'll be adding a little caption in the front and the back of my video to subscribe, like, comment, share, hit the bell button. But I'm to add the caption just to shorten the videos. And anyways, let's get on to this little video of my, I call it Frankenstein E-maxx. As you can see, it has Traxxas Summit wheels in it. It has an HPI Hummer body on it, and I bought this off of Marketplace, and the body was a bit on the rear. It was a bit messed up, especially on the rear. It was all torn up here on the sides. This was also broken in half, so I just took some sellotape and some carbon wrap on the inside, sellotape on the outside, sellotape on the sides, and also some carbon wrap around here. So just to it's a lot more sturdier right now. But anyways, this truck was completely, well, not completely, it was apart. The wheels weren't on here. It had other wheels and tires, but they're a bit worn out, so I decided to put these ones onto here. And it also had the GPMA arms, so that's a plus. So what I did is as well, just take it apart, clean everything out, and put it all back together. These are original Traxxas shocks, so I just took the springs off. And if you watch my other video about the E-maxx that I restored, I just swapped out the springs, but the yellow springs clash nice with the yellow body. And also took a piece of aluminum, I cut it out, drilled the holes, and made a steering servo saver protector for it. And I must say, it doesn't look too bad. And as you can see, it's for a Savage SS, HPI Savage SS. But anyways, this body still looks very cool on you, especially with the big chunky monster truck tires. And yeah, I tested it out last night. Just tested the electronics, see if it works, and it's working awesomely. And as well as, this is the first generation E-maxx. So this one has the high and low gear transmission. Also, I forgot to mention in the video of this truck, this is also the first generation, so it also has high and low gear transmission. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you do like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate that very much so. Yeah, I just taken on a few projects, and I love rebuilding these things, but I didn't want to bore you guys with me rebuilding these cars, because it took many hours to get them all sorted out. I could have made a long video and then shortened it out, or maybe fast forwarded, or things like that, but just get to the point anyway. So so here we go. And yeah, thank you very much for watching again, and be seeing you guys in the next little video. And so take care, stay safe, have fun out there, have fun out on the RC trails. Be seeing you in the next little video. All right, bye, see ya.